Imagine having the power to rewrite life's blueprint. Synthetic DNA is shaking up the fabric of science and technology in ways we've only dreamed of. Picture this: not only can we now edit the very code of life, but we can also craft it from scratch. This isn't just about science fiction anymore, it's a reality. Think about the potential. We could create drought-resistant crops, develop personalized medicine, and even reduce plastic waste by designing bacteria that break it down. The applications are limitless. It's like being handed nature's toolkit to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. But as with any powerful tool, the key will be how we wield it responsibly. The future is unfolding, and synthetic DNA is at the heart of this extraordinary journey. What would you create with nature's blueprint? Share your thoughts below.